Do you drink for relief to things like anxiety and depression? That was such a big reason for my drinking. I thought that alcohol actually really helped with that sort of stuff. In fact, I thought alcohol was kind of like the duct tape that was holding my whole life together. And the reality was it did numb me. I could drink and stop remembering or feeling those intense feelings. It actually numbed me. In fact, it numbed me so much that at some point I was totally unconscious. But the reality is that after I stopped drinking, I started feeling like all the edges went out of my life. Like I was walking around in bubble paper. It just felt so much more comfortable. A 2012 study actually confirms that alcohol increases both anxiety and depression, not only in the short term, like the next day, but also in the long term. And so drinking alcohol is kind of like pouring gasoline on your anxiety and on your depression. And I know that's not good news, but if you're ready to find a way out, join me at the Alcohol Experiment. Always free, 30 days, alcoholexperiment.com.